Hey everybody, welcome back to Rosie's Diecast. Today I'm going to show you guys a small section of my Hot Wheels that I got hanging on the wall, but I wanted to get this guy open here, the Volkswagen drag truck. This one's from Phil's Garage, 2010, and this one, sometimes you could get them with the initials on the base. Now granted, this one does not have them, but I needed to get this one out to get it in this display case, because I have quite a few of these in there. I say quite a few, not many of this one, but the VWs I got in there. So it is Real Riders. You can see that there is no initials on that base, just the standard stamping. Got it in white, black, and then the silver top to show the motor in there. Beautiful casting. And then I wanted to also show you guys, let's get this out bigger because this one's a big case. I picked up this, and I'm gonna have to get me a CD drive so that we could put this in, and then I'll show you guys the official collector's guide CD-ROM, and this is from 1998. So we'll see if we can get this old technology to run. But I wanted to get this guy out because that is yellowed, and I do want to keep this packaging. I like it just for keeping it. But let's see what all came in here. Like I said, this one came with the CD-ROM. So it looks, oh, yep. Well, I don't want to tear it. And it doesn't want to come out. Oh, that's probably because it's really a lot bigger on that side, I'm guessing. Oh, man. I guess I can tear. There we go. I'll get the CD-ROM and everything out later. But at least we were able to get to the car. This one is a really awesome color. It's Spectre Flame purple. And that purple is amazing. Let's go back to zoom. Check out that. Just that purple and gold. Just your standard 10 DOT tires and 5 SP wheels. Awesome paint. This thing is beautiful. But like I said, I was going to show you guys this part because I needed to get these guys in this case up here. So let's, I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but here is part of my drag buses. So this guy is going to go here. And then this guy is going to go on this shelf. So that's, like I said, that's part of my drag buses, the drag trucks. There's the combis, the Kafer racers. Can't talk today. And then there's a few 100% cars, some more combis. I think these were treasure hunts. A few different treasure hunts. You got Got some bugs and then some dairy deliveries. Some Porsches, Baja bugs. Just some T-birds. That's the shell set. A few more 100% cars. Some of the 62 Chevys. Some gassers. And then that's the Action Pack Tim the Toolman Taylor one. Home improvement set. And then up above I still got one more 83 to put there. There's some more of the drag trucks and drag buses. And then I got some more of these cases. Oh, not that one. I hit the wrong button. I got some more of these carney cases coming in that are going to fill this wall, so I got to take a lot of this off and redo this wall. But let me know what you guys think. You got any questions? I'll show you guys some more of the room later. Thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a good day.